Douglas here from Machine Minds. We've got 100 plus rushed ChatGPT prompts. You can learn Rust, learn about various aspects of Rust, and these are just the starter prompts. So ideally you throw this in there, you see what you get back, and then you can ask for a list and then have ChatGPT to go through that list, whether that is building it out or even the steps preceding that. Then you connect all the parts. You figure out what the parts are with or without the help of ChatGPT, and then get them all returned back to you. And if you want to learn about how to set that context, be sure to check out all of our other offerings, as well as our free subscription. And then you can also find all of our downloads on Gumroad. And we're just getting this set up right now. So we have our bundle, which comes with all of our latest resources, premium and free. I put them all in there so they're easy to find. We also have the JavaScript pack, and of course you don't have to pay anything. You can get the pack as well, and we do include the PDF 4.5 delicious megabytes. So check it out. Thanks for watching. Douglas Gudasol here with Machine Minds. Peace.